Parrots aren't just colorful birds. They are some of the most intelligent and fascinating creatures on Earth. From solving puzzles to forming deep emotional bonds, these birds have secrets you won't believe. The African gray is known as the Einstein of the parrot world. They can learn hundreds of words, understand context, and even solve puzzles that challenge young children. Blue and gold macaws are famous for their social intelligence. They can recognize faces and respond emotionally to different people. These macaws are playful, enjoy interacting with humans, and can learn complex tricks. Their bright colors and expressive faces make them very charismatic. Blue and golds often bond with one person, but enjoy group interactions too. Their social behavior demonstrates that parrots are highly aware of their surroundings and companions. Amazon parrots are natural mimics. They can copy songs, household sounds, and even human speech accurately. Amazons not only repeat words, but can use them in context, showing a level of understanding. They are clever problem solvers and love interactive games. Their playful personalities make them great companions for people who enjoy an active pet. Amazons thrive on attention and mental stimulation, which keeps their intelligence sharp. Cockatoos are among the most emotional parrots. They display happiness, sadness, and even jealousy. These birds form extremely strong bonds with one person, often showing loyalty and affection. Cockatoos use their crests and body language to communicate feelings. They require daily interaction or they can become stressed. Their combination of social and emotional intelligence makes them both entertaining and sensitive companions. Eclectus parrots are known for their calm demeanor and intelligence. They can identify colors, shapes, and objects, and mimic human speech with remarkable clarity. Eclectus are social yet serene, forming strong bonds without demanding constant attention. Their bright colors make them visually stunning, and they thrive in a peaceful environment. They are quick learners, making them ideal for training and interactive play. Indian ringneck parakeets are playful and highly trainable. They learn new words quickly, enjoy performing tricks, and show excellent memory skills. These parrots love interacting with humans, solving simple puzzles, and exploring their environment. Ringnecks are curious, energetic, and clever, making them fascinating pets for those who enjoy teaching new tricks. Their intelligence shines through in both speech and problem solving. Quaker parrots, also called monk parakeets, are highly adaptable birds. They adjust quickly to human routines, mimic sounds, and learn sequences of actions. Quakers are social and enjoy games, showing both intelligence and curiosity. Their playful nature makes them great companions, but they require attention and mental stimulation to stay happy. Quakers prove that parrots are capable of understanding their environment and interacting meaningfully with humans. Caiques are energetic, playful, and extremely smart. Known as the clowns of the parrot world, they can perform complex tricks and enjoy interactive play. Caiques are curious, adventurous, and can bond with humans while showing amusing antics. Their intelligence is combined with high energy, making them entertaining to watch. Caiques often explore everything around them, demonstrating problem-solving and creativity. Parrots parrots are calm but intelligent. They excel in problem-solving and respond to subtle human cues. These birds enjoy toys and puzzles, using both curiosity and reasoning to explore their environment. Parrots are affectionate without being overly demanding, making them ideal for apartment living. Their intelligence may be understated, but it's clearly visible through their behavior and adaptability. Senegal parrots are small but highly intelligent. They enjoy exploring, playing with interactive toys, and learning from humans. These parrots are curious, observant, and can mimic sounds accurately. Senegal parrots form bonds while remaining playful and clever. Their intelligence shines in both social interactions and problem-solving tasks. Some parrot species can live 50 to 70 years, which is extraordinary for birds. Their longevity is tied to intelligence, social bonds, and proper care. Over decades, parrots develop strong emotional connections and even learn complex tasks. Their long lifespan allows them to form deep attachments with humans and other parrots, making them lifelong companions. Parrots communicate in amazing ways, using vocalizations, gestures, and body language. They can interpret human tone and respond differently to happy or sad moods. Parrots may use head tilts, feather movements, and beak gestures to show feelings. Their communication skills are part of what makes them such fascinating companions. Parrots bond deeply with humans and other birds. They show loyalty, affection, and even protective behaviors. A strong bond is visible through preening, cuddling, and mimicking human sounds. Their social nature is crucial for happiness, and parrots often choose a favorite human to trust above others. Many parrots can speak dozens to hundreds of words. Some even form simple sentences or understand commands. Their speech skills are a combination of mimicry and cognitive understanding. Talking parrots bring joy and amazement to their owners, proving their mental abilities are extraordinary. Parrots love challenges. Puzzle toys, interactive tasks, and problem-solving games keep them mentally stimulated. Their ability to learn and adapt shows intelligence comparable to young mammals. Providing them with these activities is crucial for mental health and prevents boredom. Parrots are highly emotional. They sense human moods and often react accordingly. A happy owner may get playful chirps, while a sad mood can calm a parrot. This empathy is rare in the animal kingdom and showcases their emotional depth. Parrots are exceptional flyers. They navigate dense forests, recognize landmarks, and sometimes even work in groups to travel efficiently. Their flight skills are crucial for survival in the wild and demonstrate coordination, intelligence, and social awareness. Some parrots are extremely rare and endangered. Species like Spix's macaw and hyacinth macaw are highly sought after for their beauty and intelligence. Protecting these species is vital for biodiversity. Their rarity makes them fascinating to study and observe. Wild parrots and pet parrots behave differently. In the wild, they rely on problem-solving, social interaction, and survival instincts. Pets often show playful behavior, talking skills, and emotional bonding. Observing both offers insight into their intelligence and adaptability. Parrots are more than just beautiful creatures. They are intelligent, emotional, and endlessly fascinating. From problem-solving to forming deep bonds, these birds continue to amaze us. To discover more incredible parrot facts, rare species, and amazing bird videos, subscribe to ChirpyNest and join our journey into the amazing world of parrots.